And by the way, I think you're gonna help me and Thomas somewhere in the story.
If Diesel has unfinished business, there's sure to be trouble right around the corner. Sandfly, boatfly, showfly, that's it.
Better still, buzz off! Botheration! You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing in the shed, James? I'm feeling a little blue, which isn't so hot when you're red.
I was naughty, and Sir Topham had told me to think about all the ways I could be really useful. Then I could come out again. He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines.
So Thomas!
The harder we work, the less you'll need diesels to help you. Help you? You always need help because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly. No, we're not. Yes, you are. Now, I've come back to find the lost steam engine. I'm gonna destroy her and dominate you, and then you'll be nothing but useless scrap. Right, Pinchy?
Big bully.
Stinker! We're really useful engines. You won't dominate us, and you won't destroy her. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor. I'm off to fetch him now. What lost engine?